All right, today is Monday, December 6th, 2021. Let's take a look at the price action this morning on the NASDAQ using the AbleTrend charts. I got a quick, really strong sell-off right at market open. I sat on my hands. I just didn't want to jump in right at the open. Looking back, obviously, it would have been a great idea. Would have really padded the wallet for the rest of the day. But it is what it is. Sometimes things work out. Other times, you can jump into that and you get whipsawed and take a sizable loss within a couple minutes of the market being open. So that's the way it went down. Quick sell off at the open, kind of rebound a little bit, trudged along, and then kind of broke out to the upside a little bit. Figured we'd get a little bit of a rally just with how we've sold off lately. But let's zoom in a little bit and see what happened. So AbleTrend told us to get short right here on this bar. Would have been short at 87. Two green stop would have taken you out around 07. That's kind of padding a little bit, but around 07. So quick 80 points if you wanted to jump in there. I mean, that was the bar printed at 6:31 Pacific. You would have been stopped out at 6:41. So in 10 minutes, 80 points was there on the table. Got to a low of 560. So that's about over 120 points from entry to the very, very low. Crazy sell off to open. Sometimes you just gotta be ready for that. And that you could close your computer if you jump in on that trade. I skipped out on it. My first trade was right here. We got a buy signal, pulled back a little bit, thought we would sell, but we had this 2-minute printing that prevented us from getting in there. Kind of moved to the upside and then kind of broke out a little bit, got above the 3-minute resistance. My entry was right here where I circled around, I think I was filled around 43 and change or so. We started to stall in this area, and I decided just to take some profit and run. I secured a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I was risking 30 points at a 30-point stop loss. As you can see, there's no clear stop loss you could have used on this one. Bottom of the qualifying bar, maybe. So I just had 30 points at risk. Once I saw us kind of getting a little weaker right up here, I waited until we got above that 30-point mark again, and I just locked in 30 points and got stopped out for a 30-point profit. That was kind of just a feel. I started to see us kind of get a little weak with these bars. We had these long uptrending bars, and then we started to just kind of consolidate a little bit. So I didn't want to come all the way against me. And obviously hindsight is perfect, and I would have taken a loss if I wouldn't have done that. So that worked out nicely. I got some sell signals into support that didn't work out. Kind of bounced again. Kind of just trudged along. No real trend. And then we got a really solid sell signal right here that obviously did not work out, but very legitimate sell signal. We've been short around 76. Got down to 56, so it gave you 20 points. But then quickly reversed, and you would have been stopped out if you used the high of that bar. Would have been stopped out around 92 or so. So in at 76, out at 92 for a loss, and then thought we'd kind of break out to the upside right here. Kind of tried to do this, rejected the sell off, and figured we'd kind of pop up, break some fractals up here, and boom to the upside. Did not work out that way, unfortunately. So I was in right here and quickly got stopped out in around 62.5 and quickly got stopped out because that one just didn't quite work out. Came down, gave us a 1-minute sell. That just didn't really go anywhere until this strong, longer bar came in for a buy signal. So we were long here at around 44, maybe 45. And then we were actually stopped out for a 2 green bar exit at 71, which is kind of unfortunate seeing that the trend continued onwards. But you got to trade the chart. 2 green bar exit. I want to take with this volatile environment. VIX is up. I did see what it was today, but I know it's up. You just want to, you got profit. You want to trade a little bit more conservatively, I think. Maybe have aggressive entries, but then conservative or whatever you want to call it, maybe aggressive exits, conservative exits. But basically, if you have the profit there, take it and run. Just with how wild it's been. So those are the trades this morning. So morning. We didn't get a real solid trend until after 9 on the West Coast. Like I said, missed this big sell off at the market open. That would have been a great way to pad the wallet for the rest of the day. Overall, I think it's about a break-even day, just with this loss, some of these losses, this loss. Not a huge winner here, and not a huge winner there. So overall, kind of a break-even day. But zooming out and looking at the market, I wouldn't have expected anything more than that, other than this quick sell-off. So that was the price action for December 6th, 2021, on the Nasdaq for the first 2 hours or so of the market.